anyone can find any information about you and stalk you and kill all your friends.
Darcy!
Hello friends. Today I'm doing something on my channel that I have never done before. As you can see, I have this lovely plate of fried chicken, girl, yes. But this ain't any fried chicken, girl. This is your Korean fried chicken, okay? I am so excited to try this. I have never tried Korean fried chicken before. I've tried fried chicken, obviously, but it's always been the American kind of fried chicken, like the KFC and the Popeyes. I think Popeyes is pretty good, but I've never really been like a fried chicken person. Like, it's okay. I just feel like, you know, it's just like a little too greasy for me. But I've heard that Korean fried chicken is totally different and it doesn't give you that like kind of greasy, icky feeling. So I'm really excited to try this, guys. So I ordered 2 kinds of chicken today. I ordered this like chicken with sauce on it. It's like a sweet sauce. I already tasted a little bit on my finger. Yeah, she's sweet. And then crispy fried chicken. I love when fried chicken has that crisp to it. So the reason why we are gathered here today is because we are celebrating 80,000 subscribers. So I told you guys that because we reached 80,000 subscribers, I would do a mukbang Q&A, and here we are. So you guys sent me questions on my Instagram story, and I'm going to read them out while I try out this chicken, girl. I'm really excited to try the crispy chicken, so I'm gonna try the crispy chicken first, okay? Let's start with, ready? The crisp. Oh, good. How did you get started in doing Korean themed videos? I've been doing Korean themed videos for about the past year, and some people been looking at me side-eye like, girl, where'd that come from? But I've actually been into Korean culture probably about the last 15 years now. It started with the music, then it's gone into the dramas, then into the food. I'm really into Korean culture, and I have been since I was a kid. Kind of like I grew up with it. I was literally the only kid I knew who knew anything about Korea. So this isn't a oh, the crispiness got me. So this isn't a brand new thing to me. It might be to some of you who have been on my channel for a bit. But if you actually go to my very first videos, you will hear Korean music in the background. What is one food you cannot handle? Do you mean like I can't eat it for some reason? I'm lactose intolerant, so I have too much dairy, my body will reject it, like in the most painful way that my body can think of. I'm gonna try a sweet chicken, hold on. Whoa, little kick. Got a little pow in there. I like this one though. Anyways, I also can't eat spicy food. I know, tragic. All I feel when I eat spicy food, all I feel is pain. I don't taste food, I just feel pain. I never built up a tolerance to it because my mom never fed me spicy food. I'm black and Indian and I can't eat spicy food. Like, damn, I'm gonna have both race cards taken away from me. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much are you dying for an EXO comeback? Girl, I need me some EXO jams right now, so I'm gonna have to say 11.5. I need Kai to be bumping and grinding all up in my face. I feel like I've been listening to a lot of girl groups, and I'm ready for the boys. Do Canadians really call dollars a loonie? We absolutely do. I feel like I use the word loony more than I use the word dollar, like definitely. Is there anyone you would collaborate with? I watch a lot of K-beauty YouTubers now. It'd be mostly them. Obviously Kenny, but we've collabed before, but like I want to do like a in-person, like real life collab. That would be fun. Edward, Eddie, that'd be so much fun because I feel like we have similar personalities. Like we're really like dry. Hey, it's Faye would be cool. Faye seems like a cool girl. Ivan is my little baby. He's my child. Dio or Kai, girl, don't make me choose. I like them for completely different reasons. Kyungsoo is my husband. He's the husband material. He's like a sweet little marshmallow. Kai's like, you know what I'm talking about? You know, Kai's for them thought days, girl. Favorite song from the Exodus era? That would have to be, I was gonna say Call Me Baby, but I'm changing my answer to my answer. My answer is my favorite song from the Exodus era. That is my wedding song, girl, okay? You gonna see me doing my first dance with my husband to My Answer by EXO, okay? Are you wearing socks right now? Nope. Who would you like to be stuck in an elevator with? My boyfriend. Did you ever have a time where you wanted to annihilate someone? Yes. Next question. How long have you gone without sleep? I have gone 24 hours without sleep before. Not because I was pulling some sort of all-nighter for school, but because I was talking to a boy. Top 3 K-dramas. There's so many, but just off the top of my head, Full House, Pasta, and Goblin. What was the worst sickness you've ever had? Okay, one time, me and all of my friends got the stomach flu. So we all got together for our annual Christmas party, and one of our friends was still getting over the stomach flu. She wasn't throwing up anymore, but she was like still getting over the stomach flu. We have the party, hang out together, come home that night, we were all throwing up. I have the iron will of an ox, so I only threw up like twice that night, but everyone else, like we were texting each other, everyone else was like dying, like throwing up like every hour. It was, girl, no, I ain't doing that again. If you sick, stay the hell away from me. What is something that you've been wanting to do but haven't been able to get around to? Girl, I have so many videos I need to film. So many videos. I was supposed to film this video like 3 weeks ago. And some of you guys called me out on it. You're like, where's the mukbang video? And I'm like, yikes. There's so many videos I want to film. A lot of them cost money. A lot of them are reviews or hauls or like fashion videos. I want to do like a fall fashion haul, and obviously all of that takes a lot of money, and I'm not rich, girl. Like, I ain't got money like that. I got bills to pay, honey. What are the most annoying questions people ask you? Why do you want to be Korean? Do you only like Asian guys? Why do you like Chinese music? What is your favorite lip tint / stain that you own? So right now, I'm really obsessed with anything from 3CE, any of the 3CE lip tints or lip lacquers. I really like the color Near and Dear in the tints. What other colors? Private, and a lip lacquer called Explicit. What do you think about the success of BTS in America? So I actually made, oh, I should probably keep eating, girl. Oh, sorry. But I actually made an entire video about this. You guys can check it out here. But in short, I'm not a BTS fan. I really don't know anything about them. I don't listen to their music, but I'm really proud of like the trail that they've been laying for other Asian artists. Good job, guys. Have you ever visited Korea? If no, do you want to? No, I have never visited Korea because it's hella far and costs hella money to get there, and I got bills to pay. But I'll probably go there one day eventually. That's probably inevitable. I would definitely love to go, but I would love to go a lot of places. I really want to visit England because I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. I want to visit more of the United States. I want to go to more of the Caribbean. I want to visit Paris. There's tons of places that I want to go. So Korea's just on a long list of places. That was actually a lot of the questions, like, do you plan to go to Korea anytime soon? I don't plan to go anytime soon, but eventually. And I'd want someone to go with because I don't like traveling alone. It's scary. Do you think the convenience of technology is worth the lack of privacy? Damn, y'all got some deep ass questions. Y'all making me think. Speaking of, that is a great opening to this show that I'm watching called You. It's called You. Y-O-U. You. It is about the lack of privacy of social media and how just by not protecting your passwords or having things on private, that anyone can find any information about you and stalk you and kill all your friends. What is the hardest part about doing YouTube? I feel like every YouTuber would agree that the hardest part of doing YouTube is dealing with other people's opinions, the comment section. But at the same time, you don't want to turn off the community aspect of YouTube because that's what makes it so much fun. So, you know, you have to take the negative with the positive, and there's always way more positive than negative. So it's really just about what you focus on. Life lessons with Darcy. Are you going to give your dog some food? Nah, girl. He ain't getting all this chicken. This was expensive. What are your favorite pickup lines? Damn, girl, you look like a favorite pizza toppings. So whenever I order pizza from Pizza Hut, I always get red peppers, green onions, and red onions. Any weight loss tips? No. And that is it for this mukbang, guys. As you can see, I have not even dented this. I'm a small person with a small appetite. I don't know why I bought this much food. That's my bad. I got this food, this fried chicken from a restaurant called The Fry. If you guys want to check it out, they're pretty good. I want to order some of their other stuff. Like they have tteokbokki as well, and I've never tried it before, so probably gonna order from them again, but they are super expensive. Korean food, at least here in Canada, super expensive. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something about me. Maybe. Probably not. But thank you guys so much again for 80K. I know I said my goal this year was 100K, but like I never thought I'd see that number, that 80. I love the number 8. I love the way she curves. But I never thought I'd see that 8 there, that 80. It was just a fleeting dream, and we made it. We made it, guys. So thank you so much to all 80,000 of you who are joining me here now on this channel, which is so crazy. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys so much. Bye.
The answer is you.